Are you looking for an underwater action camera? In this video, I will show you the 5 best underwater action cameras based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the GoPro HERO7 Black. Get gimbal-like stabilization without the gimbal. HERO7 Black corrects for camera shake to deliver insanely smooth footage. Capture super stabilized time-lapse videos while you move about a scene. With HERO7 Black, you can increase the speed up to 30x to turn longer activities into shareable moments. HERO7 Black is rugged, waterproof without a housing to 33 feet and up for any adventure. With Super Photo, HERO7 Black intelligently applies HDR, local tone mapping or noise reduction to optimize your shots. You can even go hands-free with 16 voice commands like GoPro, take a photo and GoPro, turn on. HERO7 Black shoots stunning 4K 60 video and 12MP photos that are as awesome as the moments themselves. The 4th product on the list is the GARMIN VIRB ULTRA 30. Can your action camera prove how far, how fast, and how high you went? VIRB Ultra 30, the waterproof HD action camera, definitely can. It captures 4K/30 FPS video with GPS data overlays. It also has voice control so you can tell the camera to start, stop and remember that. That means more hands-free selfies when you're looking fearless and easier editing when the action's all done. For adventures in the wet or snow, you'll love its LCD display and microphone that work even in the waterproof case. Plus, you can live stream your video adventures with friends online. The 3rd product on the list is the OLYMPUS TOUGH TG-TRACKER. Presenting an action cam that's tough enough to keep up with your adventures. The pocket-sized TG-TRACKER records Ultra HD 4K video using advanced Olympus optics. Take it places you wouldn't dare take most cameras like mountaintops, winter slopes, whitewater rafting or into the waves. Drop it, freeze it, submerge it, and it will just keep shooting even 100 foot underwater with no protective housing required. Handy extras like the LED headlight and the tilt-out monitor help you nail difficult shots. Use the built-in action sensors, GPS, and Wi-Fi to record and share every awesome moment. The TG-TRACKER, it loves adventure as much as you do. The 2nd product on the list is the Sealife Micro 2.0. Small and ergonomic, the Micro 2.0 camera is easy to handle underwater, operating with 3 wide piano key controls. With a 16MP Sony CMOS image sensor for stunning still images, full 1080p HD video, and a built-in 130-degree fisheye lens, the Micro 2.0 provides everything needed to capture and share your underwater encounters down to 200 feet/60 meters. The Micro 2.0 has no doors or openings that could possibly leak. With 64 GB of onboard memory, high-capacity internal battery and Wi-Fi, there's no need for memory cards, batteries, O-rings, or maintenance. The 1st product on the list is the GoPro Max 360. Say hello to the new king of stabilization. GoPro Max 360 delivers the smoothest video ever from a GoPro. Tap through 4 lenses to nail any shot, either narrow, distortion-free linear, wide, and max super view. 6 built-in microphones combine to capture immersive 360 audio, directional audio for vlogging, wind noise reduction, and the best stereo sound ever from a GoPro. Create mesmerizing, unbreakably smooth motion time-lapse videos in 360 and hero modes. And in hero mode, you can also drop in and out of real time while recording. Hands busy? Say one of 12 voice commands, like GoPro, start recording. Or GoPro, take a photo. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.